an update on the puppies. They are 4 weeks old today. Everybody is doing very well. As you can see, they're starting to eat puppy chow on their own. So we still have Mama in here to help them out a little bit. But as you can see, they are doing really well. Yeah, they're so cute. Yes, you guys are. So we let Mama out to get some exercise and get a break from them for the day, but they're doing really well. They're eating, drinking. They still need Mama some, but it's good for her to get a break. Come on, you too, Karen. Come on. Good boy. Oh, yeah, we'll get him. Hey guys, we'll be in a minute. Okay. I'm turn you out in the pen with the other young babies, yeah? Turn you loose out here and see how you do. There you go. Oop. Now you all be nice. Don't be beating up on the babies. It goes for you too, Bella. Yeah. What do you think? A little bit different world out here, ain't it? Thinking maybe you should get back in the pen. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Ready?
Like she thinks she's a peacock.
Yeah, she's definitely paired with them, isn't she?
Yeah.
I'm thinking we should pull that.
What do you think, Joe? You like your new friends?
Bella.
Joe, why are you such a bully?
That's why you're so darn fat. Look at you. Need to put you on a treadmill, buddy. Yeah.
He's like, who, me? What?
Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I know, you don't like being touched, do you? But you're gonna get used to it. Yeah. You're gonna get used to it. These babies are fun. Yeah. So. right, guys, that was Chores for the morning. Appreciate you coming with me. Thought we'd give you a little update on the puppies, see how they're doing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Have a good day.